as the truck sits, here is the finished product, what everything looks like, all said and done. Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt. Welcome back to another video. As you can already tell from the title of this video, we are installing some Raptor steps. So I got these off of eBay. I'll put the link down in the description, or at least some more information about it. I'm sure I'll elaborate more at the end of the video or some other time. Let's go ahead and cut into these. By the time you guys see this video, I'm hoping I will have already posted the other 2 installs. I've got like 3 other, quick math, something like that. I've got like 3 or 4 other installs to do, hopefully by this upcoming weekend. Either way, if you're watching this video and you haven't checked out my other videos, be sure to go ahead and do that. Just click the subscribe button and then go to my other videos after you watch this one, of course, and watch the other ones. But first off, let's go ahead and check out what these Raptor steps look like unwrapped. So here they are. They are unwrapped, or at least one of them is. There is the box with the brackets, you know. These are OEM takeoffs, obviously, as you can tell. More Raptor from my Fraptor. But here's the brackets. They came, I didn't have to order them separately, which was really nice. OEM takeoffs, again, probably at the end of the video, I'll explain where I got them. The link will also be in the description. I think I mentioned this already. I got them on eBay for a really good price. Yeah, I don't have the bolts, so I can't install these right this second, but let's just fast forward to when I have the bolts. And we're back. We got the bolts finally. And I've got a helper. My buddy Zach. He actually my roommate and one of my best friends. Oof, running into the boxes. So don't be like me and get the wrong bolts. I'm doing you guys a favor, and actually all my YouTube videos, they have this purpose of to watch my videos, that way you know what to do when you're doing these set installs, rather than searching for 45 plus minutes to an hour just looking for bolts and nuts and whatever in Lowe's. But anyway, the only things that you will have to buy, as well as obviously the steps and brackets, are M6 100 or M6 10 by 25 screw caps. I'll put the numbers in the description so you guys can actually understand me rather than just listening to me talk. As well as the M8 but 1.25 nuts or screw caps, because the truck, your F-150, already comes with the can't think what it is. Docking station? The bolts, the docking station, like Zach just said. The bolts that will protrude out from your cab, which I'll show you in just a second. That the brackets will mount up to those, no problem. So your truck is already those things are already pre-installed when you get the truck, so that way you can put brackets on if you so choose. Obviously, that's what you're about ready to do. And the brackets, I don't think I showed them in the first roundabout, but anyway, here's the brackets. I'll show you guys how to install those right now. Alrighty guys, so here we are under the truck. There's the passenger side tire, and here are the bolts, for lack of better words. I'm gonna remember exactly what these are once I'm done editing it. But here is the one. This is immediately under the or directly below the passenger side door. There is also another one below the passenger side door as well, which makes sense because you're going to be putting the most weight, you know, in the front 2 doors, especially if you have the extended cab or the crew cab, or the extended cab. The most weight will be on the passenger side doors or the driver's side door, front doors. But there's only 3 placements. My kit only came with 2 brackets, one here, and then one for the back. This is behind my passenger side door because I have, or my passenger rear door, because I have the Super Crew 4-door. And so you guys will see what those brackets look like. But I'm back up at the front side again, and so I'll go ahead and put the bracket on. Let's see if I can do it this one-handed. Make sure I've cut it in correctly. So let's see. You know, it's just, like I said, mounts right up, no problem. And as you can see, slides right on with the pre-installed bolts, or whichever words. I'll go ahead and get those on. So just go ahead and put your washers and then your the nuts right on those, and you'll be all set. Alright guys, so before I go ahead and put the running board on, I'll show you what the brackets look like from the outside. Again, these are completely OEM. They came directly off a Raptor, so they go on absolutely no problem. Here's the one directly below the passenger side door, and there's the one directly below the passenger rear door. So obviously you can see I got those both on. They're completely tightened down. I'm gonna put the step on and show you guys how that goes on. Alrighty boys, so here they are on the truck. As you can tell, my wheels are still, oh gosh, my wheels are still very dirty. It sucks because I cleaned them. I cleaned the entire truck, detailed the heck out of it like, I don't know, a month ago? Oh shoot, 2 months ago. It's December now. I cleaned them back in October and they're just atrocious. Anyway, so the steps, they're on. They've been on for about a week and a half or so. Very rigid, very nice. I mean, they're OEM steps. As I step on my truck, oof. They're nice, they're super nice. They bolted right up, no problem. Here's the how they bolted to the bottom. Yes, I know there's 4 openings, but this opening right here, there's no bolt opening right in there. So yeah, they only bolt up with the 3. And again, you'll see the bolt sizes either on the screen or in the description, so be sure to check those out. Probably gonna get some weird looks from my neighbors because they have yet to see me do any of this. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for sure. I love the steps. Oh my gosh, they look so good. They're very slim. Unfortunately, by putting steps on the truck, it makes the rake like that much more substantial, which might have to fix that soon. So stick around. Be sure to watch the next video as soon as I'm recording this right now. I'm going inside to edit another video. So you guys will have a lot coming soon. Hopefully the wind's not too bad, but that does wrap it up. Be sure to go ahead and give this video a like. If you enjoyed it, give it a dislike if you did not enjoy it, and please tell me why. Be sure to check out my Instagram, of course. That's where I post all of my updates on everything that's going on the truck. I'm not as active as I used to be, but with some new mods coming soon, then maybe we'll see some more. So anyway, without any further ado, guys, take care and have a great day.